this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the inbox to answer your customer queries. So first, on the left side, you're going to find the inbox. Once you go there, this is going to be the empty state. This empty state is shown when you do not have any queries in your inbox. How about we create a ticket right now? So we go to our page. So once the customer comes into your page and they click on message, they're going to see the window. And once they click on get started, they're going to start conversing with the chatbot if you have any, or they're going to start conversing with the page. Once they see the welcome message, and if they ask something like, what's today's date? And if this sequence is saved in with your chatbot, it's going to give an answer. However, it's not saved in our one. That's why this ticket was sent to the inbox. As you can see, an agent will contact you shortly, and this ticket has been sent to the inbox. Once we go into the inbox, we're going to be able to see all the customer's previous conversations in the middle bar. On the left bar, you'll be able to see the customer's ticket card. And on the right side, you'll be able to see the customer's information. Don't worry about the details. I'm going to show you all of it right now. So we're going to go from one section to the other. So on the left side, you're going to be able to see the customer's ticket coming in and the ticket card. Over here, you'll be able to see the customer's name, when the ticket's last message was coming. You'll be able to see the customer's last message. You'll be able to see the channel's name. You'll also be able to see whether the ticket has been locked to an agent or not. So right now, if I say something like, hey, see, the icon changed, and this means that the ticket has been locked to me. So I'll be responding to the customers. However, apart from this, you can also see previous tickets by going into the resolve queue. In order for you to see the resolved tickets, all you have to do is go into filters and go to ticket status. And if you click on resolved and click on filter, you'll be able to see all the resolved tickets which you have catered to previously. For now, there is only one ticket which I had created for this demo. How about we show you other functionalities that we have in our inbox? You'll be able to see all your tickets in my queue. You can also see any ticket which has been unassigned, which is right now sitting in the inbox by clicking on unassigned. Right now, there are no tickets. If there is a ticket, then you'll be able to see it in this queue. Also, you'll be able to see any other tickets which have been assigned to other agents as well by clicking on all queue. So right now, I'll be catering to my ticket. And if I type something like, how can I help? The customer will receive this message. And then the customer can start typing such as, I need to buy some shoes. So if the customer sends a message like this, your agents can easily cater to them. Your agents can assign tags to them. Say, for instance, since the customer is looking for shoes, we can give a tag like shoes. You can basically filter all your tickets with these tags. How can you do that? By going into filters, you can click on tags, and over here you can select all the tags which are available. So say, for instance, I want to filter tickets which are for shoes, then I'll click on shoes and I'll click on filter. Right now, I'm just going to keep it to this. You can also filter your tickets with channels, all the available channels which you have. So basically, if you are trying to look for tickets from one single channel, you can click on, let's say, PrioShop. You can click over here. It could be a Viber channel. It could be a Facebook channel. It could be anything. But you can filter your channels by selecting them. You can also select the time and the date. You can also select the agents or the groups to whom the tickets are assigned to. For now, I'm just going to leave filters as it is. So I'm going to click on reset filter, and I'm going to start catering to this ticket. So now we are going to cater to the customer's query. So the customer asked for shoes, and the customer wants to buy some red shoes. So if you want, you can send an image of the product to your customer by clicking on send image, and over here by clicking on upload, you'll be able to upload all your pictures. So I'll click on this picture, and I'll just click on send file. Please bear patiently with the inbox because it may take some time to load high resolution images. So now that the image is gone, the customer will be able to see it. So similarly, just like images, you can also send audio to the customer. So all you have to do is click on this button on audio. And if you send a recording, you have to give the access, and then you can send the recording. To record the audio file, you have to click on the record button. And from here, I can basically send the file to the customer, which is going to be, we have red shoes, and it's pretty nice. And if you click on this button and send file, this audio clip will be sent to the customer. And from here, you can basically send the file to the customer, which is going to. All right, now that you've seen how you can send images and audio to the customers, how about we show you the other functionalities of the MyAlice Inbox? You'll be able to create and save canned responses. So what are canned responses? Canned responses are basically pre-made responses which you can save for your agents, and then they can send it to the customers. So I'm going to show you how you can create a canned response. So over here, go and click on canned response, and you can see multiple responses which we have created previously. If you click on new response, you'll be able to add a keyword. So let's say, for instance, for this demo, I'm going to add a keyword, something like shoes, and we have a response. We have incredible shoes in our inventory. And if you save this, you can save this for yourself, or you can save this for your team as well. I'm going to save this for my team so that all the members in my team can share this. So once I click on save, this will be saved. And if I go into the inbox again, and if I type hashtag shoes, and if I click over here, it's going to give me the response which was saved in the canned response window. If I click on send, this message is going to be sent to the customer. Canned responses are very useful for businesses which are large in scale, because and also for agents who are new to the MyAlice Inbox. Why? Because you can basically create responses and save them for agents, and all they have to do is type the keyword and send it to their customers. This will ensure that no wrong message is being sent to your customers. Now that we've shown you how to use tags, canned responses, or how to send audio files, send images, how about we show you how to assign or reassign tickets to other agents? In order to reassign a ticket to another agent, all you have to do is click over here and select the agent. You'll also be able to reassign this ticket to groups if you have made them, and you'll be able to see all your groups over here. For now, I'm going to keep this ticket for myself, and I'm going to answer to it. You can also enable or disable the chatbot. What this ensures is that if the customer asks a query which is already pre-saved in the chatbot will automatically answer to the customer. For now, I'm going to keep it switched off so that I can manually cater to that customer. You can also send emojis. You can also keep a note. So how can you use notes? If you save a note, this customer is trying to buy some shoes. And if you want, you can reassign this ticket, right? So if you reassign a ticket to another agent in your team, that agent will be able to see the context of this ticket by reading the note. These notes are basically for your own team members who will be able to get a better idea about tickets once they see these notes. Now that we've shown you what's available in the left bar and the middle bar, I'm going to show you what's available in the right bar. So on the right bar, you'll be able to see the customer information, which will show you the gender of the customer, the time zone from where the customer has come from, and also the local language of the customer. You'll be able to see even more powerful information on the right bar, but for that, I'm going to show it in another video. Now that you've catered to the customer, all you have to do is resolve the ticket to ensure that the conversation with the customer has ended.